Hey, welcome back, guys. Awesome. I'm really excited with all the progress we've made so far. We really covered quite a lot as far as creating websites is concerned. You've seen how to, in the previous video, we saw how to use the anchor tag to, add a kind of create links that connect users from one page to another within our website. And also take user to external pages, basically take them from our website to other useful resources on other websites. And that is really useful because you want to help your users to not just access resources that are on your website, but to also be able to access resources that exist in other websites within the internet. That's really useful. Okay, so now we want to talk about images, right? Images are very important um, aspect of websites, very important when it comes to building websites, right? So a lot of the websites you visit that you really love to visit again have some really cool images, and then so we're going to see how you can add those images to your website. So to add an image to your website, let's get rid of this about page and focus again on our index page. So we're going to comment this guy out. So to add an image, you basically use the img tag. I say img, and then I close it up. Now, notice that img tag doesn't take a closing tag because it's one of those self-closing elements. So you basically do this, and then it's self-closing. Now, the image tag takes a required attribute, and that is the source. So you have src, and then the value is going to be the location of the image, the part of the image, pretty much like how we added parts to this about page when we were in our anchor tag. So now I have added an image to my project folder. I've added a bird.jpg image. So basically you can bring any image of your choice. It could be .png, or it could be a .jpg, and then you add it pretty much like how we added this. So you just say bird.jpg and then you save it, and let's see what we have. And we have our bird image, which is really large. It's a really large bird image. And if you're wondering how I got that image, I got it from Unsplash. So you just come to Unsplash and type bird, and you select any one that you like. I think this is the one I used. So this, you click the download button and then you download, but I like to choose the size here before I download. So I selected medium, so it could be a regional size, it could be the small size. You just select the one you want and click download, and then once you're done downloading it, move it to your project folder, the folder that you opened to this. You just move it there and you have your image. Okay, so now, like I said, this image looks quite big. So what we can do is to resize it, right? So we can add a height, a height attribute of let's say 200, and then a width attribute of let's say 500, and then we save it, and you see our image is smaller right now. So you can also maintain the same so you see, so it's a kind of distorted just because of the dimension. We're going to come to that, or we're going to see how we can play around with our images. But the idea is you have attributes in the image tag that can basically help you resize your image and put it to any size that you want, right? There's another attribute that the image tag takes, which I'm going to talk about in the next video. So yeah, let's continue this in the next video.